So we have three masses of 1 kg, 6 kg and 3 kg. So this is 1 kg, 6 kg and 3 kg are connected to each other with threads and are placed on table as shown in the figure. What is the oscillation with which the system is moving? This is a simple question. Let us suppose since there is a mass here, tension in this string and this string will be different. So let us suppose this is T1 and the tension in this string is T2. So now force on this block will be 3G downwards and T2 upwards. Let us say oscillation is A downwards. The force on this block will be T2 in this direction and T1 in this direction, and 6G and normal force which are balancing each other. On this block will be 1G downwards and T1 upwards. So now what we can do is write net force is equal to mass into oscillation equation for these three blocks. So we will have 3G minus T2, 3G minus T2 is equal to 3 into A, 3A. On 6 kg block it will be T2 minus T1, it will be T2 minus T1 is equal to mass into oscillation. Since this will be moving in this direction, so this will be equal to 6 into A. This will be equal to 6 into A. On 1 kg block this will be equal to T1 is upwards, 1G is downwards. So this will be equal to T1 minus 1G is equal to 1 into A. So if we add these three equations, we have 3G minus 1G is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 1, 10 into A. So A will be equal to 2G divided by 10. So this will be equal to G upon 5. It will be equal to 2 meters per second square. So the oscillation is equal to 2 meters per second square. Oscillation will be equal to 2 meters per second square. There is another way, and that is net force along the length of net external force. Oscillation is equal to net, just a second, so oscillation is equal to net external force along length of rope divided by total mass. Net external force is 3G downwards here, so 3G, but 1G here, this is in the backward direction. So 3G is trying to make it move here, 1G is trying to make it move in the backward direction. So 3G minus 1G divided by total mass of the system, 3 plus 6 plus 1, 10, which is G by 5, which is again 2 meters per second square. This shortcut is valid when there's a thread system and there is the magnitude of oscillation of these blocks is same. Then we can use this net external force along the length of the rope divided by total mass. Tension will be counted as internal force. Tension will be counted as internal force. So answer is C, which is 2 meters per second square.